Hey everyone, in this video, let's compare TradingView with Finviz. In order to do so, here we are at tradingview.com and finviz.com. Let's just take a look here at the homepage. You can see that with TradingView, look first, then leap. The best trades require research, then commitment. Get started for free, $0 forever, no credit card needed. Where the world does markets. Join 100 million traders and investors taking the future into their own hands. Love in every TradingView. 100 million traders and investors use our platform, the #1 top website in the world when it comes to all things investing. Mobile reviews with 4.9 average rating. No other fintech apps are more loved. 10 million plus scripts and ideas shared by our users. Finviz is here. You can see we have a nice view of the financial visualizations that you'll find on Finviz. And if we just scroll down, looks like it's very straightforward. We do have a guided tour that we could take a look at there. What is the difference between TradingView and Finviz according to Cider AI? Well, according to Cider, TradingView and Finviz are both popular platforms for stock analysis, but they cater to different needs. TradingView excels in charting and technical analysis, offering advanced tools and a social networking aspect for traders. Finviz, on the other hand, is more focused on fundamental data and stock screening. It provides a comprehensive overview of financial data, including company financials, analyst ratings, and insider trading information. The choice between them depends on your trading style. Technical traders would likely prefer TradingView, while value investors might lean towards Finviz. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, take a look in our description at the bottom and you'll find a link to our link tree. And there you will discover our top recommendations for AI tools and some fantastic promotions that you can take advantage of, including Cider, which is a wonderful tool that integrates with your Chrome browser and allows you to access Cider AI at any point. You just get this nice little icon here. You click on that and there you go. You have access to Cider Fusion. You also have access to ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and DeepSeek so that you can compare responses. Click on that link. You'd be helping us out and we would certainly appreciate it.